So this is about a USB thing I added. So see that USB port there? It's got one C and two A's. I decided that it would be good if the tablet had constant power so that it always stays connected and it's always full and ready to go when people come to the house. So I mounted it onto the board, and so the thing about that is when you turn off main power to the house, that USB socket stays powered. It's the only thing that'll stay powered. And I thought that was handy too, because if the battery protect detected that the batteries were too low, it would shut everything down. And then I was thinking, what if you really needed to charge your phone? So even after the battery protect shuts down, this will stay powered as well. So if you need to charge your phone in that situation, well, it'll stay powered until the internal BMS of this cuts out, which is highly unlikely, because this shuts power off first, a level above the BMS in here. So anyway, probably made that overcomplicated.